How to search for effects on Instagram. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to click on our story right here and click on camera. And to locate for effects, all you have to do is to look for your shutter button right here. And as you can see on its right side, you will be able to see various effects that is catered to you by Instagram. So if you want to search for more effects on Instagram or more effects to choose from, all you have to do is to scroll to the rightmost corner right here. And let's say you have reached the last effect that Instagram has given you. All you have to do to search for more effects is click on this button right here. And you will be able to see various effects that is trending right now or for your appearances, aesthetic. It gives us various category to choose from. And we can just apply each and every effect to our camera so that we will be able to use that effect to capture the moment that we have right now. Let's say right here. Now, if I click on that effect right now, it has been applied to my camera roll. I can also choose other effects such as this one or this one. Now, to save that effect, all you have to do is to click on bookmark button right here. And now I have saved that effect for Instagram, and it gives me easy access to open that effect. So that's how to search for effects on Instagram.